That's it. Get him. Get those girls. Get those girls. There we go. Give, 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 give. Oh, no, he's gone. Give, give. Seven, why don't you play with the girls? Oh, there goes my mouse. Look, look, Seven, go get the girls. Go get him. Go get the girls. That's it. Where's Dakota? Come on, Dakota. Get him. Oh, she took a toy. Better go get her. She got the toy. Where is she? Here she comes. Here she comes. Look, there's Dakota. Where's Dakota? Go get her. Oh, there she comes. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh!
He had killed himself. Boone is from the nearby town of Johnson City. This is his home. Late today, ABC News reached a woman by phone who said she was Boone's sister. She said her brother went to the center today to take classes. Quote, he shot those people? No, I'm going to pass out. Obviously, the burning question tonight is why? Why did Boone allegedly do this? Law enforcement officials